Ebuka.
Ngozi, how are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
As you can see, I'm good.
Good. I can tell that you're prepared for the hunting competition.
Oh, yes. Okay, see you.
One more thing. I pray that the gods favor you.
Yes, the gods will favor me. And if they finally favor me, I will extend the favor to you.
Thank you.
I will see you.
Ebuka, my brother, I've come to congratulate you for being the winner of hunting competition that just been concluded.
I thank the gods for favoring me.
Well, I brought you this palm wine as my appreciation of your efforts.
Thank you very much. You've done well.
You know, you'll be having some visitors when I leave, so just and take care of them.
Thank you.
I have to be on my own now.
It's okay. Go well, eh?
Okay, now.
Welcome one. Welcome one. Here's your him. We'll call him the best hunter of our time. I said it. I told them that you aim and shoot, you don't miss. What would I have done if you hadn't gained this defeat? What would I have done? Listen, I can go about this kingdom and brag and brag and brag because I know we will be victorious at the end.
My good friend.
Congratulations. Congratulations, my good friend.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
You see, I brought you this little thing to appreciate you, you know, for the feat you achieved. What will a farmer give? This is all I have.
You've done well.
Yes, my friend.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I overheard them saying that you have to choose a maiden for a bride, considering your new position.
Yes, yes. That is what the elders of the council told me.
Oh, you even need someone to tell you. Eh? You even need someone to tell you. That is what is obtainable. Have you made up your mind on it?
I still have some time to choose.
You know what? Some time.
Greetings.
Greetings.
The great hunter of our land. I admire you. Nwoke n'ibe ya ra n'okwu ọnụ. You're a great man.
My adorable hunter, the cynosure of all eyes. Won't you like to have this? Great man. Can you please give me the opportunity to make you happy?
Greetings to the greatest hunter of our land.
Ngos, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. I knew you passed through this path, so I waited here for you.
And what is the matter?
Nothing really, just that you promised to favor me if the gods favor you.
Ngozi, come to my hut, and I will give you from the numerous gifts that I have.
God, what I want is no gifts. What I want is you. I want you to make me the woman that will be beside you.
Ngozi, this is not the right place to make that kind of decision.
I know. Take your time. I just wanted to tell you how I feel about you. I want you to see it.
Ngozi, do not be in a hurry to make some decision. Come to my hut. I'll see you.
Ebuka! 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 Are you around?
Yeah. Amuta, I'm around.
Sorry for disturbing you. I came to collect my Naija that I gave you earlier today.
Oh, hold on. Amuta, the palm wine is very good. It's tasty.
I hope you enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it.
Okay. I have to be on my way now.
Thank you very much. Thank you, eh?
Yeah, but Ebuka, sorry. There's one thing I wanted to ask you.
Okay.
About these girls fighting themselves because of you. How do you intend to cope?
My brother, I don't know.
Ebuka, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy.
How do you mean?
Choose your favorite, then pass the remaining one to me now. Let me scream them. Let me forget my look. It's the waist, it's the waist. Ebuka, you will not understand. Just pass them to me now.
Amuta, are you insane?
Ebuka, I'm not insane. Just pass them. They will testify. I'm telling you. They will tell you what happened. Just pass them to me.
Amuta, I've given you your palm wine jar, so you may now leave my hut.
Ebuka, it has not gotten to this. But anyway, I will leave. But don't forget to still be expecting.
Amuta, leave!
Okay, Nimo. Get here, Ebuka.
Oh, you are even ready. Ebuka, on my way to this place, I met Onyekachi, the son of Dikeh, and I was having some few words with him. And I saw 3 beautiful maidens of this kingdom walking out through this same direction I'm coming from. What are they looking for in your hut? Nam?
They came to fill my water pot and to greet me.
Fill your water pot and greet you? This early? Hey! Nam?
My brother, I am so confused as you are.
The only thing I know is that even the Igwe of this kingdom does not enjoy such privilege. Ebuka, you know they are all interested in you, or don't you know?
My good friend, just forget them, let's go.
Ebu. What I'm saying is that in this your quest of getting a wife, you have to open your eyes, because this...
Your man.
Why you
know
Ebuka.
Hey, Ada. How are you?
Good day, Ebuka and the maker.
Dude, what are you doing here all alone?
Nothing, I'm just waiting for my friend Chioma. I don't know what is keeping her.
Okay, don't worry, she will soon be here.
Here she comes.
I told you, always learn how to be patient and not to worry yourself.
When did you Opegodimpe? Where? Hey, Ebuka.
Sorry.
What kept you so long?
My father gave me some gift to give to Ebuka as the best hunter in this kingdom. I took it to his place. I didn't find him. I had to take it back home.
Look at them. He just left with his friend now.
Sorry. Oh, I'll take it to him later. Don't be angry now. Don't know. Smile now.
Yeah, so thank God.
Ebu. Is there something you're not telling me? I have noticed it. I want you to open up to me. Tell me, I want to hear.
I don't know what you're talking about.
See, I have noticed you have interest in Ada. Don't even deny it. Don't deny it.
I don't have any reason for denying it. She seems to me as a good girl and a good wife.
If she seems to be a good girl and a good wife, why don't you make her your wife?
No, just patience. Trust me, I will. But I don't want to take a wife in a hurry.
I trust you.
Just so you all know, Ebuka Bunkem, he is mine.
What makes you conclude so?
You know, it won't be out of place if I say you are blind. Because if you did not notice how he looked at me, that means you're blind.
Ngozi, he did not look at you.
Hey, Ngozi the dreamer. Keep dreaming.
Hey, isn't it so obvious? You, my friends, jealous of me. You know very well that he prefers my beauty more than any other. Beauty, my fruit.
Hey.
Who is this? Listen, I have no business with a tag-along like you. And just so you know, I don't have any business with you. As a matter of fact, if other animals are talking about skin, a tortoise should not come out and say anything. So
That's too much. Ngozi, what is it now? You calm down.
Her father is a tortoise.
It is your grandmother that is a tortoise. Please. Your
great-grandfather
is a tortoise. Calm down.
Calm
down. You. Calm down. What is all this?
This Ebuka that both of you are fighting for did not even show interest in any of you. Adezi, please speak for yourself.
Look at this one, oh. See who is talking. I should speak for myself, okay?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Ebuka was so polite to us. And as for me, I will not take water to his compound or help him in any domestic work again.
I will take. I'm still here. I will take to his compound. Please, let me beg all of you. Adezi, why don't you all just give up for me? You know how much I love Ebuka. Just give. Please, leave me aside. Please, who's fetching water? Let's go. Whatever, he's still mine. One day you run mad about it.
So what is it about me you don't understand?
You and Ada are the only girls in this village that are not making effort to be Ebuka's wife.
That is because I am not interested.
Eh? You're not interested?
Yes, not interested.
Chioma, do you know what you stand to gain if he chooses you as his bride?
Well, my dear, I won't fool myself like you girls do. Go to his house, cook for him, fetch water, get firewood. My dear, do you have to run such errands to get yourself endeared to him?
Well, as for me, I don't do such things for him anymore. But I still desire to be his wife.
It's a Wadiro. I wish you good luck.
I'm leaving.
are you?
Fine, thank you.
Amaka, do you know that of all the girls in this community, you are the one I love with all my heart?
Really?
Yes.
So, what do you like about me?
Everything. I love everything about you. Okay, turn around, let me see. Wow. You see? I love everything about you. You are the most beautiful.
Thank you.
Come here.
Amaka. Amaka. Trying to steal Ebuka from me. Hey! Okay. In fact, Amaka.
What is it, Ngozi?
Amaka, where are you coming from?
From Ebuka's hut.
Ebuka's hut.
Yes.
And why did you go there?
I heard vegetable soup is his favorite, so I went to prepare for him. Ngozi, you needed to have seen the way he was licking his fingers. He told me, how did you know it was my favorite? He was licking his fingers. He told me it was really delicious.
Hey.
Yeah.
Why, yeah, you heard that his favorite soup is
Yes.
vegetable,
Yes.
and you decided to go there and prepare for
You
him.
need to see.
Don't go to Ebuka's hut again. I have warned you before. Listen to me, because I don't intend to repeat myself. Stay away from Ebuka. He is mine.
Ngozi, Ebuka hasn't chosen any of us yet. We all still have equal chances to get him. He's not yours.
It is obvious that no matter how long I talk to you here, you still will not heed my advice. But you see, today, you will tell me who you are, and I will tell you who I am.
I'm ready. Ngozi, I'm ready.
Hey.
What a nice song. With a nice voice. She's not just beautiful, but she's responsible. Ada, I have to show you that you're the one after my heart. What a beautiful song. And a golden voice. Love ademuma, love atobuomo, love. Hi. I wish I can remember. God. Mama. Get me.
Ebuka.
Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma. Get me.
Oh, the mama.
Is Ada around?
No, she has gone to fetch firewood since morning, and she's not yet back.
Oh. Okay.
I hope no problem.
No, there's no problem. I came to give her this.
All this?
Yes, ma.
Hey! Thank you, my son.
It's okay, ma.
God bless you.
It's okay. Achọrọ m ka ọ taalụ m anụ.
Oh, thank you.
I'll take my leave now.
Hey, you want to go? You want to go now? Thank you. I'll tell her when she comes back.
Mother, there's something I want to talk to you about.
Akudo, what is that you want to talk about?
I noticed you're very close to Ebuka. I want you to help me talk to him.
Here you come again. What is it that you want me to talk to Ebuka about?
I want him to choose me as his bride. And if you do so, I will surprise you in a special way.
You keep quiet. What is wrong with you Medians in this village? Is Ebuka the only young man in this village? Well, come to think of it, what is it that Ebuka will give to you that I cannot give to you girls? Or am I not man enough? See, let me tell you, forget Ebuka's stature. Look at me. I have all it takes to satisfy you. You think I'm lying? Let's just go somewhere now. You see, when you come out, you see me in your dream. Forget all this Ebuka, this thing. The girls are just dying for Ebuka. Just give me 1 hour of your time then. You will see me in action now. This thing, you will not understand. But let me tell you, I think I have to stop my power business and embrace one thing. And for your information, I'm not telling Ebuka anything.
I am not part of this marriage madness.
Madness? Yeah. What do you mean?
All the maidens in this village wants to become Ebuka's bride.
As for me, I'll keep and maintain my pride as a woman. I can never force myself on a man. Never. Hey. Anyway, next time.
What kept you so long in the farm? I did some farm work before fetching the firewood. Hell. There is food. Oh, there is food. Your food is inside. I prepare pounded yam with vegetable soup and bushmeat. Bushmeat, Mama? Yes. Ebuka brought you some bushmeat. Ebuka? Yes, now. What?
Ada, when a man gives you such a gift, there's more to it than meets the eyes. Go and eat.
Go and eat.
Go and eat. After that, we will talk about it.
Ebuka! 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 Good day, Ebuka.
What a surprise. Please sit down.
Thank you, I'm fine, Ebuka. I seem you are cooking.
Yes, I'm cooking.
So can I help you?
No, I'm done. I'm done cooking.
Okay.
Please, what do I offer you?
Nothing, Ebuka. I'm here to say thank you.
For what?
For the bushmeat, of course.
Oh. Ada, I did that to let you know that you're the chosen one of all the maidens in this community.
Ebuka, me? The chosen one? You chose me, Ebuka.
Ada, please, marry me.
Amuta, why is your face like this?
Obinta, I'm not happy. Just look at how all these beautiful maidens are running after Ebuka. And we are here.
You see those girls? They are just showcasing their foolishness in the village. I'm telling you.
You needed to see how one of them insulted me just because I asked her out.
Don't worry. They will regret their actions. by the time Ebuka chooses a bride in this village. I'm telling you.
I will so much laugh at them. Then they will know that he who laughs last laughs the best.
You are right, my brother. You're very right.
We didn't ask for much. We were only trying to help them warm the pots in between their two legs. And they refused. They are busy chasing out Ebuka, who is busy chasing Nchi and Bada in the bush.
Ebuka, a hunter, ordinary Ebuka, a hunter in that matter. Huh?
They will realize their mistakes very soon. They will. So where are you heading to?
I'm going to the farm.
Well, you are lucky. I'm not as busy as you are. Let me go.
Ada, I wish you don't leave my house to your house.
What do you mean?
I don't feel like letting you go.
I have to go before my mother gets worried. I just have to.
Okay. When next you come, you're going to sing that wonderful song you used to sing for me.
I will.
Okay.
Just come.
Hey, we thought we were going
to go.
Okay.
This one you visited me this early.
Do you know I could not sleep last night? Chioma. Hey.
What happened?
It's Ebuka.
What about him?
Ebuka proposed to me yesterday. I'm his choosing bride. I'm so happy.
It's a lie.
How can I lie to my best friend?
Chimo! Ekene Dinichuku. He proposed to you?
Yes.
My dear friend, I'm so happy.
Thank you.
So Ebuka finally proposed?
Yes.
Yay!
I'm so happy, my dear.
somewhere more. Love at the water, onyenkemo. So give body no be more. Echeta mulia, ibukwano love more, onyenkemo. Love at the mama, love at somewhere more. Love at the water, onyenkemo. Love at the mama, love at somewhere more. Love at the water, onyenkemo. Hey yeah yeah yeah. Hey yeah yeah yeah. Obi mu bata bia makono mo. Obi mu bata bia kise mo.
Ada. More beautiful than she is. Or am I not beautiful enough? What is it about her that makes Ebuka fall head over heels for her? What? Okay. We shall see. But... Hi. Oh.
Chere. Wait. Ada, or whatever it is that you are called. Chere, and who do you think you are? Listen, I am not talking to you. And I would advise you stay away from this. Mangwazi Giyozo, put your hand down. Ngozi, what do you want? Oh, beautiful. I am glad you know that there is something you can do for me. Yes. Please, stay away from Ebuka. If he so loves you that much, he should choose you over me and let me know as well.
And let me know as well.
Hey! Hey! But
my dear friend, don't you think that this warning of yours is too late?
I'm asking you.
Look, let me tell you. You see this, my friend? She is very dear to my heart. Very, very dear. So the next time you give her issues, I will crush you like a cockroach. But I am so in a very good mood today. So go back and thank your stars. The next time, I'm so going to show you the stuff I am in need of while you show me the stuff you're in need of. So what do I do not want you again. Stay away from me.
Your mom, I'm shivering. I'm shaking.
Hey, my friend. Before you go, I have one little information for you. Very small. Ada and Ebuka are getting married tomorrow. Yeah, wait. In case you don't understand. You guys say about what?
Leave her, let her go with her problems. Leave her under her and just let her go. Let her go, she's jealous. Let her go, teach her a lesson. Please. What did she today?
Ebuka.
Nine.
Now you have taken Ada as your bride. I think the next thing that remains is to inform the Iwe.
Yeah. Thank you, my elder.
Umogiri, Mamano, Riano, Wano, Ebuka, Ibodogu, now you have chosen Ada to be your bride. The remaining preparations will be made immediately. Ada Woge. Magana wanya veneke, boru miloko, that's a family. Wanya bageke, abogoru miloko, that's a family. Iwodogu.
Chimamma, I've been running and following you. Why are you difficult? Can't you see Ebuka, my friend, and Ada? Isn't it beautiful?
Emeka, I have told you that I will not marry you. Even if my friend is married to the Igwe, I will not marry you.
Why? Tell me why.
What do you mean why? Because I am not interested. I have said it before and I'm saying it again. I am not interested.
Is he interested in me or in getting married?
Both.
Oh, Chichi, let me be na Chichi bia. Chichi bia no. Hey, Chichi me no me here no bia. Hey, Akugo.
So Ebuka is now married.
Yes, that's true. I heard he paid Ada's diary yesterday. Ada is such a lucky girl.
So, when I told you you were dreaming, now it's clear to you, right?
Let me leave something with you girls. I want you to mark it somewhere. It is one thing to be married, and it's another to stay married. It will be over my dead body that I have Ebuka in another woman's arm.
Ngozi, what is wrong with you? Ngozi, what is wrong with you? What is all this? Is Ebuka the only man in this village? Why not Be happy for once and get yourself another man. Oh. Settle down. Because what is wrong with you?
You will hear from me.
What is wrong with Ngozi? I don't understand this. Is Ebuka the only man in this village?
I don't understand.
Wait. Ngozi is beginning to sound like a witch. She's beginning to sound like a witch.
And I don't trust her. I don't trust her. I don't understand that.
What is Ebuka
I just
here?
don't understand her.
Ebuka there.
She's so pissed off.
Ebuka there.
Adeze. Ada. Wanyocha. How are you?
I'm fine.
You see, Adeze, there is something I have been wanting to discuss with you. That's why I came to talk to you. I hope you don't mind.
Something you've been wanting to discuss with me?
Yes. It's just a little thing. It's nothing.
Okay. Go ahead.
Thank you. It is bitter leaf soup. You see, bitter leaf soup is my favorite, and I have not been able to see someone who can help me prepare it. You know, I'm an orphan. So someone confidentially told me that you are good with bitter leaf soup. So I came to plead with you if you can help me prepare it tomorrow. Please, just the bitter leaf soup.
Just bitter leaf soup?
Just bitter leaf soup. You see, it will be at the back of my hut, and every item you need to prepare it, I will be bringing it from my hut. You don't even need to go inside my hut. I will just bring it and you cook it. Once you finish and I test it and see it's original bitter leaf soup, you will go.
Emeka. Emeka. Just bitter leaf soup. Okay?
Just bitter leaf soup. I need just bitter leaf soup.
Okay. I will try.
Hey, Amy. Hey, today is the best day of my life. I cannot wait to eat this food. Amen. Oyele.
Let me
Bute. Bute oh. Mio. Ibuzonyani sidini. Kotara moneka. I'm ready. Odigo.
No, don't worry. Let me sit. I will carry it.
You will carry it for me to eat?
Yes.
Emeka? So what the? Dalu?
I hope you like it.
Hey!
Emeka, what is it?
You are the best cook of bitter leaf soup. Where have you been? I got my information right. My informant was right about it. Shime. Yeah, I'm gonna Ndo? Naga.
Emeka.
Adeze. I'm sorry. I told you are only coming to cook bitter leaf soup. Yes, but it's not only because of the bitter leaf soup that I invited you.
Hey, what is it? You don't like it again?
No, there's no problem. Love. Love. I love you, and I would want you and I to be sleeping and waking up in this house as husband and wife. Biko.
Emeka. Emeka. You think I don't know? Oh, you don't want to marry me, Abi? Because Chioma rejected you.
Mba,
She turned you down.
No, it's not because, see, the thought of Chioma was because of, I thought friends can marry two friends, you know, because of Ebuka and Ada. So I now thought that we can marry the two maidens together, but I didn't know that my thought was wrong. So that is why we say, Biko, no chance. Biko. Biko.
Please eat your food. Yes.
I should eat. Will you marry me? Okay, see, I am ready. See, I'm ready to put it in the soup.
I put it in the soup and eat.
I have put it in the soup.
Please, sit down and eat. Emeka, sit down and eat your food.
Hey! I am done.
I hope you enjoyed the food.
I enjoy. Have you seen anyone in the plate? I finished it!
Hey!
My love, you are the best cook of this generation. It's just barely 2 weeks I got married to you and I'm even becoming fat.
Don't worry. After this one, I will make another food for you and you will eat and eat and grow fatter.
Yeah, onye humoga mazinemi. Oma mazinemi. I am one more. Hey, William. I am not too happy that you did not follow me to eat this food. Because you know that a family that eats together, stay together. And I need to no.
Before Tom.
Do you know, I've been wondering if bitter leaf that is known with bitterness is as delicious as this. Kedusi kegusi and the vegetable garden. I wonder. How will it be?
Obim. Before Tom. Hi. Ebimo.
Beauty.
Let me tell you, next time I will prepare egusi soup for you.
Egusi soup? For me?
Yes. And after egusi, I will now make a vegetable soup for you.
Vegetable
and you
soup?
will enjoy it.
The vegetable soup? I will tell my kinsmen, you see, now when you miss vegetable soup, no city, vegetable soup. Vegetable soup, William. Vegetable soup. All the one easy.
What is it? Baby!
Has she delivered?
Yes. Congratulations. You are now a father of a baby girl.
Hey! Hey! The gods of our land! Thank you. Thank you. Can I go in and see them now?
No. I need to clean her up first. Okay. Get me some water.
Okay. Let me get it.
I know you wanted a baby boy. Are you disappointed?
Disappointed? No. I am so happy for a baby girl as well. Just look at our baby. She's just like a princess.
She looks like you.
She rather looks like you. Yes, because you're beautiful. I will name her... I will name her Olamma.
Olamma?
Do you know why? Because the mother is beautiful
Thank you, dear Mama. Thank you.
Why, Mama?
Yeah. Ada, don't tell me you're pregnant again.
Do I need to wait?
What do you mean, do you have to wait? At least give your husband some space to take care of Olamma.
My husband isn't complaining.
Eh? Do you have to wait for him to complain?
I know my husband can never complain. He makes good money from his hunting, and I believe he will definitely take care of me and my children. So you don't need to bother yourself, my dear friend.
You are so lucky. When I mean lucky, you are very lucky. I'm just praying to the gods to bless me with a good husband like Ebuka.
My dear friend, do you know my husband does not allow me to do anything? If I want to go to the stream, my husband will tell me not to do it. If I want to break firewood, don't do it. If I want to do this, don't do this. Don't do it. I am even tired, but what do I do?
Hey.
My husband, I love my husband so much. God gave me the best man in this world.
My dear friend, to the ears of others, this might not sound proper, but from my heart, my friend, I envy you. You are so lucky to have Ebuka. My dear, you are very, very lucky.
Don't worry. The gods of our land will definitely give you one like my Ebuka someday.
He said, from your mouth to the ears of the gods, may they hear your prayers.
He said, so my friend, how have you been?
This is Leo. I've been good. Very fine.
What is it? What is wrong with you? Huh? I told you to stop facing water with this your condition.
What will I do?
Eh? Please, don't try it again. Please.
Okay, Dimon.
Please go inside and rest.
I no go.
Ebu kakaka. Ebu. Okay,
Do you know that I have noticed that every season there must be a congratulation coming to your household? It has become a tradition. Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
So tell me, how did you aim at it this time that it is a bomb boy?
I thank the gods who used Ada to make me a proud father of a baby boy. And I'm going to name him Obinna.
Obinna, the son of Ebuka, the grandson of late Ikenna, the one who killed 2 lions in a night.
This is a bigger celebration. Hey, Ebu, okay, Nam.
I am happy for you.
Bye. Let me get back.
Hey, Olamma. Oh, my daughter, how are you? Look at you, you're all grown up. Hey, Ada, my dear friend.
Chama,
my dear friend.
You're welcome. Chama, sit down.
Thank you very much.
Chama, what will I offer you?
My dear, don't worry. I'm fine.
How can you tell me you're not taking anything in my house?
It's okay. I'm fine. I'm specifically here for Olamma. Ola, see what I got for you. You like them?
Just 3 eggs for Olamma alone.
Yes. All these eggs for her. It is her birthday.
I know she will be 7 today, but
there is no but. Just allow her enjoy her egg. You like it?
Olamma, so you are eating these eggs that giving me at all? That giving your mother 1.
So what's up, Papa Obinna?
He has gone out. He went to see his friend.
Alama, what is it?
I had a bad dream.
Bad dream?
Yes, Papa. Mama wants to kill me.
I can never kill you, my daughter. Come. How can my daughter have such a dream? Me trying to kill her. I can't kill you.
Alama, your mother will not kill you, okay? Mama loves you. Oh?
What kind of dream is this? Eh?
Welcome. Grandma, you're welcome.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to check my traps, but Ada is in.
It is not Ada that I have come to see. I have come to see you.
I hope all is well.
All is not really well. I had a very bad dream last night about Ada.
A dream?
Yes. She, in the dream, Ada wanted to kill me. I don't know what is going on, and something is happening, but I can't really put my finger on it.
Olama had the same dream too, where my wife wanted to kill her.
May the gods forbid! What is going on? But let me tell you something. Don't let Ada know about these dreams.
Okay, Grandma.
I don't want her to get frightened.
Okay, Grandma.
Let the two of them stay at home. Don't let them go anywhere because it's obvious their lives are in danger. I have to go now.
Is my mother a witch?
No, your mother is not a witch.
She wants to kill me in my dream.
That is just a dream. Nothing would happen to you.
I'm afraid.
You don't have to be afraid. Grandma is here. Come.
Hola! Hola, Mama Kevin! Hola! Hola, where have you been?
Leave me alone, you witch.
Eh? Hola, you called me wench? Where did you get that from?
I hate you.
Hola, Ma, you're talking to your mother. Wait for me. Hola, Ma, come back here. Hola, Ma, come. Hey, Timo. Hola, Ma called me wench. Where did you get that from? Hey, Timo.
Alama, what is it?
My mother wants to flog me and I ran away.
Your mother wants to flog you and you ran away. What did you do?
Nothing.
You didn't do anything.
Yes.
Okay, listen. See what we'll do. I'll take you back home now, okay?
I don't want to go home. I want to stay with you.
No. Listen to me. I will take you back to your mother and I will tell her not to flog you again, okay?
I'm guilty.
Are you sure you didn't do anything to her? To your mother?
What is it? Why are you crying?
Olama, my daughter has insulted me, Tim. Olama called me wench.
Olama called you a witch? Yes. Our daughter?
Yes.
Called you a witch?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know where she got that from, Tim.
Where is she now?
I tried to flog her, but she ran away. I don't know where.
Okay. Please stop crying. So, let me go and look for her, please. Biko.
Where did she got this from? Chimo! Where did she got this from? Where?
Here you are.
Papa Bina, good day.
Good day, my dear. How are you?
I'm very fine. What is happening? She ran to my house telling me that her mother wants to flog her.
Can you imagine? This girl insulted her mother and called her names.
Are you serious? Olama, is that true?
My mother is lying.
Shut up. Who told your mother is lying?
Papa Olama, please. It's okay. Just take it easy. She's still a child. Oh, Biko.
Thank you for bringing her home. Thank you very much. Yeah? God bless you.
It's all right.
Thank you.
Olama, be a good girl, okay? Don't insult your mom again, okay? Okay.
And you, come here.
Papa Olama, please just take it easy on her. Okay. And please don't beat her, oh? Ngwanu.
Olama, did you hear what I said? Say sorry to your mother. Now.
No, I will not. I hate her. She's a witch.
What?
Olama, Chai. I'm your mother, Olama. How can you call me? How can you say you hate me? Why?
You hate your mother? Why? Come on, say sorry to your mother. Say sorry to your mother. Say sorry to your mother. Say sorry to your mother.
Jimiko, leave her alone. Do you want to kill her? Please, it's okay. It's enough. Please. This is enough. Don't kill her. What is wrong with you? I am the most miserable woman on earth. Oh.
What is the matter? Can you forward?
Olama, my daughter hates me so much. She even called me witch mama.
Witch kwa? To fear kwa?
Olama is just a child. She will grow out of it in due course. Eh? Ebezina.
Sorry.
What's that? I have something very interesting to talk to you about.
What is it? Do you know that Olama, Ada's daughter, now refers to her mother as a witch?
Ewo, Ngozi, where did you fetch that fake news from?
Ebe, fake news kwa. Listen to me. Listen to me. This is reality, my friend. I am telling you. She was in her mother's house yesterday, crying and weeping and wailing. That my own daughter now calls me a witch. She feels like the most miserable woman in the whole world.
That's horrible. How could that small girl slander her mother like that?
Slander. In case you don't know, I will tell you. The gods reveal things in secret to little children. Have you not heard? And come to think about it, Ebuka had to choose Ada over me. I knew that something was fishy the whole time. And I'm glad that the gods are finally speaking for me.
Hell! My friend! There we go again. Ebuka, Ngozi, we are not getting younger anymore. Let's try and get married. Instead of you talking about Ebuka and Ada.
Talking about marriage. Listen, if eventually a man comes to seek for your hand in marriage, don't say I'm stopping you, because the gods will bear me witness that I will never stop you from getting married. But you see me, Ngozi, I am so going to wait for my king
Ebuka to come to his queen.
Dreamer! Wake up from your dream, please. Because you're dreaming.
I don't want to wake up if it's a dream. I want to keep dreaming because it seems more real to me.
Biko, have that dream before you stop me.
If he wait for me!
Hola. How are you? Thank you. So, how is it, mother? Thank you very much. Oh, Mwamu, where did you say your mother went to? You don't know? You mean you don't know where your mother went to?
Yes, Grandma.
Nne, you're here.
Adamo.
No.
Daddy?
I don't know.
You are in?
Yes, I was at the backyard.
But your daughter just told me that he doesn't know where you are.
Nne, Fugo Yano, you've seen it. You've seen what I've been talking to you about, Nne. Look at it.
Olama.
Yes, Grandma.
Olama.
Yes, Grandma.
Why did you have to lie to me? Come.
No, do not sit it down.
Come, I have something to tell you. Come.
No, I will not.
Mama, which mother can take this from her own child? Which mother, Mama? See, just look at it.
It's okay.
Just leave.
It's okay, my daughter. Sit down.
I'm tired.
Have you seen a thing like this? Maybe we'll seek for a help.
Mama, from where? From where, Mama? Mama, go bring water for Mama. Mama.
You have killed Grandma. You have killed Grandma.
Betrayal!
Witch!
Hey! Mama, please! Mama! Mama, please! Mama, please!
Ada, what is happening?
It's my mother. It's my mother. She came to visit me. And we were talking. No, I didn't know what happened. She started coughing and died.
Eh?
Lie!
Died before.
Grandma started coughing and she died and she's a witch.
Will you shut up? Shut up, you little girl. What do you know you're saying? Shut up!
Emeka, don't you think it's not wise to stop this little girl from talking? She may have something.
She doesn't have anything to say.
I'm innocent. I don't know. I'm innocent. I could have killed my own mother. I'm innocent.
Please, rise up.
Sorry.
Bring her out. Come this way.
Mama. Somebody died in Ebuka's compound.
Someone dead in Ebuka's compound?
Yes.
Who is the person?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
I need to go there and find out. Let us go. Okay. Also.
Thank the gods you are back. Thank the gods you are back.
What is going on? What is it?
Your mother-in-law's corpse is lying in your compound.
What? Guinea?
Yes.
What happened?
I don't know. Let us get home first. As I'm talking to you now, her corpse is lying dead in your compound. Let's go.
Nkiru, did Nkiru die? Why Nkiru? What did Nkiru die?
Mama Nuku.
No. Nkiru, my daughter, but why? Nkiru? Why would Nkiru die?
Please, it's all right.
It's not all right.
Mama Nuku, only the gods knows the reason for her death. It's well.
No, it is not well. Nkiru should bury me, not me.
Grandma,
It's not
okay.
well. It's not
Mama
well.
Nuku.
Women of our land, Alama, that little girl, Ada's daughter, confirmed to us that her own mother is a witch.
Yes.
Who does it? Ada is a witch. She killed her mother.
She is not a witch. She is not. She is my friend. I have known her for years. She is not. She is a witch. She's not a witch. She's a witch.
Hey, I am telling you now. I say don't speak for her. Do you know what she does in secret?
Hey! My fellow women, let's be careful how we accuse her. Oh, Bikoru, I've said my own. Women of our community, it pains my heart when you people accuse my daughter of being a witch. Adamaye is not a witch. She is not a witch. Witchcraft does not run in our blood. I beg, Biko, with all due respect, grandmother, Olama, her own daughter, that small girl confirmed that her own mother is a witch. Oh, Biko, what other confirmation do we need? What other confirmation do we need? Sit down! Never sit down! Could you just said it yourself? Olama is but a child. She doesn't know what she's saying. All I know, it's not a witch. Look into this matter before you take your decision.
We all have heard from our dad's grandmother. Let's pardon her. I have spoken, and so shall it be.
So now, we are to allow witches to live amongst us, okay?
Hey! Just like that.
Always fairly. I am not happy with the pardon granted to her. Why would they grant her pardon? Why? Because why will you say something like that? Why? Why won't I say it? After everything Ada did, why should I not say that? She is a witch.
Because I think you should stop accusing her. We don't have any evidence yet.
And you're not sure about that?
That's just my opinion. I think we should just stop accusing her.
Pico, please, let's go.
No, we're not going.
You know, Amaka,
you're actually beginning to get on my nerves. And it's very annoying.
So what will you do?
see, when people talk, you are in no position to talk. Do you hear me?
And why? Why can't I talk to you? We are all maids in this village, so I can talk to you anyhow.
Ebuka, your daughter's attitude towards her mother is wild. I think you have to do something. And you have to be fast about it.
I've rebuked her. I've flogged her to no avail.
It is not enough. That is what I'm saying. It is not enough because if you were here when the villagers came to assist your wife, you would have seen how your daughter was calling her mother a witch and accusing her of killing her own mother. It is a public disgrace.
Please, if you know what to do, if you know what I can do, please tell me. Please.
you have to be strong. And Olama needs your full support at this point.
Of course, I am not going to let her down. What am I living for without her? It's just that I can't understand Olama's attitude. Hey!
This is an evil manipulation, I can say. It is very clear because in here drug in here back and Kiruka watakiri hota. Gisini kuku kone. Emaka no ku kurubalo. Ona bonnia which? Hey.
What is this?
Mbao. Ayele bakwara yanya.
I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I didn't kill my mother.
It's okay. I believe you. Okay? I thank the gods that you were vindicated and granted pardon.
My grandmother and Choma stood for me. They stood for me.
It's okay. Huh? It's okay. Stop crying.
Oh.